Hey everybody, I wanted to show you the dry painting from a couple videos ago. It turned out amazing. I absolutely love it. And today I'm going to do the plastic wrap um, dip, or however you want to call it, but with black and gray and Payne's gray and a metallic brown, and see what it looks like without all of those crazy colors. See if I still like it. So this is a 10 by 10 canvas. And the plastic wrap I'm using is actually the plastic that it came wrapped in. So great use. Instead of just throwing it away, use it. So let me pour my white paint. Whoa! Got a little bit too much. Luckily I buy it by the gallon. So I have more. I have way too much on. So we're just gonna wait for it to pour off. Let me quickly hop over to make sure I'm still in frame. Yep. I am. And let me grab some pipettes. Let's start with the metallic brown. Let's do a diagonal this time. And space gray, pearl space gray. And black. And then Payne's gray. This will add a little bit of bluish to it. And then my white, which has silicone in it. And plastic wrap. I guess this is more of a dip than a swipe. Torch. That is really pretty. Really pretty. And I love the wanderers, kind of. Oh, I really like it. Let me get an up close. So pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.